everybody, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my YouTube family. My name is Stephanie. So today, y'all, I got Boxycharm base box for April, and I have a story about this box. So USPS tracking, this came USPS, said it was delivered to me 2 days ago. It was not. So 2 days ago I kind of went, okay, thought I'd give it another day. Yesterday, end of the day came, went, evening came, nothing. So I did take and register with USPS.com that this was lost. Now, the nice thing about the tracking on this is it gave me the exact date and time it was delivered. And by that date and time, the timestamp, I knew it was not our normal delivery time here. We don't normally get our mail until mid to late afternoon, and this showed tracking having been scanned as delivered in the morning, which we never get morning mail. We are towards the end of the route. So all's well that end well. Good job, USPS. I did also, if you guys are familiar with nextdoor.com, I did go out to my neighborhood and said, hey, anybody got this black box with white lettering? So I'm not really sure if somebody found it in their box and just threw it back in there maybe yesterday, and so it got delivered today. I don't know, but I'm happy it arrived. I really thought somebody maybe stole it, knowing what Boxycharm is, and maybe I wasn't going to get a box. So very happy this is here. So this is my base box, and when I started subscribing to this, it was $25 a month. Now all that pricing has gone up. Everything's going up, you guys. It's inflation. So it does run you just under $30. It does have my variation on it. I'm not going to show you guys that because the tracking is on here, but it is box 013. So box 13 for the base box. Let's see what we got. Here we go. All right. We have the card with the base box information, all the MSRP for the items in my box, and this is Boxy Spring Revival is the month promotional, whatever you want to call it. Okay, let's see what we got. I see a palette. I'm going to put that in the end. Look at you guys. This is shocking. We have bubble wrap. Not a lot of bubble wrap. It was on top of everything. All right, let's go in with this. This is tiny. Oh, man. Okay, you guys, I'll tell you right now, I don't like products like this. This is Lucky Chick liquid eyeshadow. I have bad luck with liquid eyeshadow. It creases, balls up on my eyes, and then flakes off. It's just, you guys, I have a lot of extra skin on my eyelids, and I always have. I never really have good luck with any liquid eyeshadows. So MSRP on this says $22. Says Lucky Chick. This gorgeous metallic pink shade creates a beautiful tone while radiating a subtle shimmery glow. It's lightweight, long-lasting formula. Lightweight and long-lasting, has the right amount of shine and luster. Wear a thin layer on the lids or build it up for a more dramatic look. Layering this soothing cucumber-enriched eyeshadow makes it perfect for it all-day wear. So the color is beautiful. Honestly, gorgeous. Called Rose Quartz. Honestly, if that was a lippy, I'd be all excited about it because that is a gorgeous color. But you guys, I've tried all different sorts of brands on these liquid eyeshadows, and they literally clump up on me. They just do not work. So this will be going to y'all's giveaway for somebody else because I can't. It's a shame. I like the color a lot. Rose Quartz, $22. Then we have some sort of liquid something here. Oh, Christoph Robin's hair care. Instant volumizing leave-in mist. I hate getting hair care. It is MSRP $39, and the size on this is 150 milliliters. Says this mist makes thin, fine or flat hair feel thicker and full of body while delivering an easy to style hold. That tells me it just probably builds up on the hair. Using a delicate rose blend infused formula with a baobab leaf extract and oligo elements from seawater. This mist helps enhance hair's texture and provides a lift at the roots for long-lasting volumizing look. I won't use this, you guys. It's going to go into a giveaway. I hate getting hair care. I honestly hate getting hair care products that I don't know what they are. I don't like it. I'm really particular about what I put on my hair because I do have fine, thin hair. So leave-in conditioners, generally, I'm not a big fan of. I actually prefer leave-in oils like argan oil, and I'm pretty particular about that as well. All right, what do we have here? It's got a little pull thing. It's called Item Lash Snack Lengthening Mascara, 6.5 milliliters. I do see a little bunny on here, so let's see what this is. Never seen this before. Okay. Oh, here we go. So this is Item Beauty by Addison Rae. Okay, that helps. $15 for this. Honestly, it's kind of boring to look at. Lash Snack Lengthening Mascara is a flake-free and smudge-proof lengthening mascara packed with nourishing lash boosters and hydrating conditioners like castor seed oil, which actually is proven to help grow lashes, glycerin and coconut oil. Glycerin is not. Coconut oil so your lashes can live large. This unique micro wand and exclusive complex in the exclusive complex in the formula. Naturally enhance every single lash for 3 times the volume. $15. And again, it's called Item Beauty by Addison Rae. So another mascara, and honestly, it's okay. I have 2 different mascaras I'm using right now. Neither of which I'm real thrilled at. I'm using ZeeSea, and that's what I mostly use today. It just, there's not enough there, and it cures down like crispy rock hard. And then I'm using one by MAC, and it just clumps everywhere. So I liked the MAC, except it's so, I think it's meant to be like volumizing. I don't know, it just clumps a lot. So it's like, I don't know, neither one I'm real thrilled with. All right, we have something in a bubble. Let's see here. It's something with a dropper. So it is the Better Skin Company's Eye Bright Now, 30 milliliters. Wake up and fight dark circles and puffiness with the Eye Bright Now serum. A single drop provides immediate hydration and helps with the appearance of puffiness and dark circles. Eye Bright Now assists in reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. $38 for that. Better Skin Company, Eye Bright Now. I don't know, let's see here. Manufactured Seattle, Washington, made in the USA, like that. Ingredients: glycerin, allantoin, sodium citrate, panthenol, amino acid blend, calendula extract, green tea extract. That's nice. Hyaluronic acid, so sodium hyaluronate. Tripeptides, palmitoyl tripeptides. Bunch of tripeptides in here. Hydrolyzed rice protein. So I'll try that. Not too arguable about the ingredients in there. They sound nice. Put those on under before you put on your moisturizer. So we got this, again, $38. $38 for this. We got the liquid eyeshadow, which is unfortunate, $22. I got the $15 mascara. We got the hair stuff, Christoph Robin for $39. Final item is a palette. Here it is. All right. Sour You Doin' by Beauty Bakery. I actually, you guys, really do like Beauty Bakery. I've always liked their formulas. This is, let's see here. Sugar Homes. Learn how we support orphan children through Sugar Homes initiative. Very cool. It says that these shades will make your eyes squint and then light up in surprise. Why would you say squint? Rich and bold, yet soft for those who want to be subtle. Sour You Doin' is perfect for spring, date night, or maybe even a holiday mixer. MSRP, $38 on this. And the card says the same thing I just read off the back of the box. So, all right, you guys, here's the front of the actual palette. This is made in China per what it says on the palette. Beauty Bakery. Feels like, yep, has a mirror. Honestly, this looks very familiar colors to Beauty Bakery, and it's a color scheme I really like. It does have a shade saver. Covering the mirror. I like these colors. This is me. Honestly, to me, this is more of a fall, but I love these colors. You guys know how much I do like oranges and golds and colors like that, obviously. I'm not at all unhappy to get that. Really pretty. So, looks like 2 shimmers, and then the rest look like mattes. So, very nice. Mirror is really unnecessary. I don't use these mirrors and these palettes to put on makeup, but some do. Actually, it might be 3 shimmers. Let's see here. That sangria color might be a shimmer. Kind of looks like it might be. So that's cool. I like it. I'm not at all unhappy. Thank you to Boxy for that. Beauty Bakery. So that is my box. What do you guys think? $38 eyeshadow palette. I'm happy about that. Not at all thrilled to get this. Don't want hair care. Not happy about this. I just can't, you guys. Personally, it's just the structure of my face. I got a lot of loose skin on my eyelids, and I cannot do liquids. I have thrown out more liquid eyeshadows. It's not even worth me wasting it and trying it, honestly, because it's not going to work, and I'll end up throwing it away, so I don't want to waste it. We have this mascara, which is cool. I will try this. This is Item Beauty by Addison Rae, $15. And then again, a little skincare, $38. I'm not unhappy with Made in the USA, $38. Interesting and decent looking ingredients list on that, so I'm not terribly unhappy. Again, my box number was 2204 for April 2022, and then it's 013, box 13 for the base, BA. So, yeah. All right, what do you guys think? So this runs you, I feel like it's $27.99 now. Honestly, you guys, all the boxes have been changing their prices. You know what? I can't blame them. Right now, everything is going up in price. So an extra couple bucks. I have heard if you unsubscribe and then go back to resubscribe, it might be more, but I haven't really looked into that because I'm still subscribed. I've really been on the fence as to whether or not to continue this box. Honestly, the lure of the drop shop every month and then the mega drop shop every 3 months has been there. I have occasionally shopped it. So, yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what box you got, which variation. You know, I used to get the Luxe quarterly and I used to get premium. I used to get all three. Well, I was signed up for all three. Obviously, the Luxe replaces your base, but I just found out that, you know, honestly, for me, like it was just a lot of stuff I didn't need, and it was easier to get one box and then go shopping in their sales to get what I wanted. So that is kind of how I'm continuing it. I'm not so unhappy, I guess. I'm not real thrilled with this box, but I'm not terribly unhappy. I guess you could say that 3 of the 5 items I'm fairly pleased about. These I'm not. So it's not bad in a mystery type box. So all right, you guys, I really appreciate your time watching this. Hope you're having a good one, a holiday weekend here. If you're traveling, please be safe and have a good time with friends or family, whomever you might be with. And I will see you on my next video. Bye, everybody.